love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone.
Hi hopefuls, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you my very first charcuterie board and the items that I picked up and some things that were already in my fridge or pantry. So I pulled out these two wood trays. I have used them for decor. I just washed them off, even with soap and water, and the sides and the bottom, because I usually just use them for decor. I do have some just regular wood big block chopping blocks, but for chopping things, but I don't think I'm going to chopping boards. I don't want to use them today, I don't think, for the board. I want to use these two and see how this goes. I didn't think I had that many items, but as I pulled it out, I do. But two, I know my boys are kind of picky with some things, so they probably won't really eat some of the things. So starting over here really quickly, I have this gourmet deli selection. This came from ALDI. And then I have some grapes, some red and some green grapes. I have some Hershey Kisses. You can make all different types of boards. These boards, you can put deli meats on them. They also have like pancake boards, waffle boards, all those different types of stuff. But today, mine's going to be like fruits, some veggies. I'm going to see if I have some celery. I have some grape tomatoes. You can put nuts on it, olives, different types of cheeses, different types of crackers, pretzels, stuff like that, fruits and meats. So that's what I'm doing today for New Year's Eve. It's not going to be like something super fancy. It's just something they can come and graze. Goat cheese, some Havarti cheese. I should have picked up the, I think it's called Brie cheese, but I have never tried it. If I have, I probably didn't realize it. And then I have some of this sliced cheese here. I only get one. I only got one. I should have got another one. I have this extra sharp cheddar cheese and this spreadable jalapeno cheese. I should have got some herb cheese. Oh, and then I have these cubes in the back. JJ's not a big fan of cheese, but everybody else I think is. I have some honey ham slice here, some raspberries. I have some olives and some turkey breasts, some dill kosher pickles, some pineapples. I wish I got the sliced pickles as well, because JJ does like those, or hamburger pickles. So some things I'll include on the board next time. Some Hershey Kisses, I think I said that before. Some trail mix, some dry roasted peanuts unsalted. I just had a few left, so I pulled those out. And then I have the honey roasted, let's see, some pepperoni. I went ahead and pulled two of these out instead of one out of the freezer. They're shelf stable, but I just went ahead and put them in the freezer because they were looking a little funny. I have a few of these Blue Diamond bold habanero barbecue almonds. I love these. I love really all of Blue Diamond almonds, and I meant to go to Food Line to get some, and I never made it in there, so disappointed in that. I have some Kalamata olives and some golden raisins. I have some regular raisins, so I remember to I just remember to pull those out. This 6-cracker assortment of crackers from Aldi. Some pretzels. I think I have some Nutella, so I may pull that out. JJ likes that. I have some French onion dip. This was already in the fridge and I just wanted to pull it out to use it. Some honey butter. I think what I'm going to do is the crescent rolls. I have 3 of those, and I'm just going to go ahead and make up some crescent rolls so they can. I know my husband, he loves to make like some kind of concoction or either a sandwich out of something. When I say concoction, like mix something up together, like I make if I make rice or something like that, he will mix it all up and make his own little thing sometimes. So I'm just going to make some crescent rolls, so if they want to make a little sandwich and put it to the side, they can. Or scoop it up or whatever. Some grape tomatoes. some baby carrots, or they can put the honey butter on top. That's my point of saying it. My refrigerator is really cold, so it's almost frozen. So maybe it'll thaw out. I got some blue cheese crumbles. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. Some almonds. Let's see. Some more crackers. The garden vegetable. These came from ALDI. And the scallop rosemary ones. Excuse my soup, y'all. Just had some soup for lunch. The grilled crostini toast. So those, I think that's everything other than the raisins I forgot, and the Nutella to bring out if I still haven't. JJ hasn't smashed it already. I'm first going to start with my cheeses on my board, and I watched a few videos on YouTube, and then there are tons of beautiful boards on Pinterest that you can find inspiration. But these boards are really, you just have fun with them. One of the videos I did watch, she said she likes to start with her cheeses, and what I want to do was, I didn't want the same thing to touch or one light thing touch another, so I want it to be the opposite direction or opposite of each other on the board. So I separated my cheeses here, and I just wanted them all to look different. You want your board to have different textures and colors. So I made sure to purchase cheeses and crackers and also meats that I thought that my family would like and that I would like. Some of them we haven't tried before, but we actually like them. I think it was only one deli meat that we didn't quite like too much. So you want to bring some interest to your board by having different shaped cheeses and textures. I know a lot of people were saying the brie cheese was great to add to the board. Now I'm starting to add some of my meats to the board, and one thing I want to just let you guys know, to just be honest and to just be aware, is that because in 2021, y'all, we trying to live our best life and have better health. So this board does consist of a lot of sodium, so just keep that in mind. There are other types of charcuterie boards that you can make, waffle boards, sandwich sub boards, I guess that has sodium too, and pancake boards, bagel boards, breakfast boards, just all different types, y'all. I just can't even think of all of them. Pinterest has them all. So just keep that in mind when you're making your board. You may only want to put 2 meats on your board. Just not just the meats, but you know, the olives, all those different things, they have sodium in it, so watch that content. But when I'm doing the meats, I'm trying to create different patterns. I use some of the meats and I roll them. Some of them I just lay them with different layers. Some of them I try to fold them 4 ways, like in a fan. So you just want to make sure that you bring some interest to the board. Don't just lay it out just to lay it out. You know, make it fancy, bring some character to your board. So you see here that I'm just rolling it and it's simple, and you can just stack it. If it doesn't stay in place, then just try again, or try to rearrange it.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. don't wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lie.
I started to add my grapes to my board, and one of the things that you want to do is, if you are feeding a group of people, to take the grapes off of the stems so that it'll be easier for them to grab them to put them on their plate. But since it was just us, and I kind of know what my family is going to eat and what they're not going to eat, I went ahead and left them on the stems. It just depends on how you want to do it, but when you take it off the stems, you have to be ready for it to roll. But if you're serving a crowd, it's probably best so they don't have to take their whole hand and separate what they want. You can also maybe cut the stems in different groupings. You can try to do that too. I added my olives and my almonds to my board, and I used these little small appetizer treat containers from the Dollar Tree. I can't remember how many you get in a pack, probably like 8, I want to say, for $1. They're on the party aisle, and these were just perfect to house those olives in. I guess depending on the size of your board, you can just put it on your board, but they were perfect for the olives. Now I'm adding some carrots to each board, and then again, as I am putting things on the board, I'm trying not to put like veggies beside another veggie, or cheese beside another cheese, or fruit beside another fruit, trying to spread it out and give the board some interest and some variety. Okay guys, so I am all done with the boards. I actually just wanted to do 2 of the circle boards, but it quickly filled up with the amount of items that I had. I think I did end up using everything once I added my small cutting board over here. Yeah, everything. So I did make some croissants so that they can make little sandwiches over here, and whatever spreads. This is the brown sugar cinnamon, I think it is, from Sam's. I think it's brown sugar cinnamon, I'm not sure, but I showed it earlier. And that is the honey, some blue cheese crumbles. I have to work with my settings on my look. Is okay right now on my camera. I was messing one day and my color is off a little bit, so I need to go and figure out how to fix it. These are the golden raisins, and I was watching some videos for some inspiration, and I think hers look like this, but this is the first time I picked them up from ALDI and picked them up in a long time. So I thought some of them, I thought they were brighter than this. So I don't know, y'all. They taste fine though. I was grazing just a tad bit, but I knew I had to do the video to show you guys. And this is that spread. So that smoky jalapeno spread that I showed, and they also have a garlic and herb at ALDI. This is good. I haven't tried the garlic and herb, but it's the first time I picked up that spread. It's kind of like it's whipped, so it's good. So the cheeses, my meats, the turkey, the almonds, the olives, the grapes. These toast here, they look like they're good. I haven't tried them. Here's some over here. Haven't tried them, but they look like they're really good. Pickles. Some things I just put a little bit out, still probably a little bit too much because I'm the only one that eats them. I think like the pickles, Jason may eat them, and those type of pickles, and the olives. And this is just some French onion dip. Over here, I put quite many pepperonis because I love pepperonis. I think everybody does. And then over here, I didn't put the regular sliced cheese out. I ran out of space, so I'm going to have to invest in a big board. I had one at one time, but I took it back thinking it was a chopping board, and it wasn't. It was like a carving board. So I wish I kept it, but I took it back to Aldi. So here's the crackers. I still didn't put out all the crackers that I had in that variety pack. Well, I was gonna say over here, and I had to put the ham over here. So that's what made me decide to do another board, because I wanted some celery, some more ham. Yeah, I didn't get the raspberries out, so that's why I decided to just go ahead and do another board. So I like how it came out. It was really fun. I don't know how much they'll eat, and then I'll have to put it all back. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.
Stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?